flavor profile of green tea is something really unique. It's a little grassy, it's earthy, but yet also it's very fragrant and it's very floral.
The green kimono, that is a cocktail based on a matcha or the green tea powder. It also is good for you health-wise. I mean, it has more antioxidants than pomegranate even does, because you're ingesting the whole leaf ground to powder. The color is beautiful, and it's just a very pleasing aroma and texture that it adds to cocktails.
Green tea makes extra bitterness and also extra tartness, and it's good joint to those drinks.
I crusted a piece of halibut with some citrus rind, some zest, and some green tea, and a little brown sugar, so it was like a yin and yang kind of thing. So using green tea as an ingredient besides drinking tea is starting to come into the forefront of Japanese cuisine.
We all have the opportunity to enjoy Japanese culture right here in New York. I hope everyone here will enjoy all the wonderful Japan-related programs organized for this week.
このイベントを主催しております JRO を代表しまして、皆さんにご挨拶いたします。JRO の専務理事をしております加藤でございます。
I'm very, very happy to be a part of this special occasion at the Grand Central Station, which is the symbol of the dynamic New York City.
In Japan, from a taste point, from a health point, and from a digestion point, whenever you're eating in these kind of restaurants, these artisanal restaurants, you find yourself finished a meal with energy, more energy than you started with.
We should all get over there, check out the culture, check out the food. Some of these chefs are here in New York too. So you can study a little bit here in New York, eat a little bit of the food, and then go over to Japan.
I think the awareness of Japan Week is great because I think maybe people think that Japanese food is all maybe just sushi, but with Japanese cuisine there's just so much more than that.
On behalf of the organizers and the sponsors of Japan Week, I would like to say to each and every one of you, thank you very much. Domo arigatou gozaimashita. I would encourage you to go to Japan, support Japan, show them your care, your love, your support by being there, and this is a wonderful way to initiate that process. Please enjoy the next few days of these events, and I hope to see you someday in Japan.